Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for an amazing weekend. Today, this is the freebie. Friday freebie, free printable. It's a little cutie freebie that I gift to all of you guys every Friday, no fail, for the last 6 years on my channel. Is a little thank you from me to you guys for everything that you do for me. So this page here is part of my VIP lounge membership and it's called Velvet Meadow. Why I called it like that? This collection inspired me, and I will show you the pages in just a second, with the tone and the colors and the texture of something that is very velvety, it's very tactile. Anyway, before I tell you how to get this freebie, let me show you the VIP lounge paper for the month of November in case you guys wish to join. The main collection is called Snowflake Kisses. I must admit, this is probably one of my favorite I have ever designed. So it's collection of blues. So the main color is blue and of course snowflakes. But I've added some woodlands pages because I thought that this kit can be used in January after the holidays gone, and then we can just concentrate and create something inspired by the winter rather than feel extremely Christmassy. This is probably my favorite page. So as I said, it's a tone so blue. Then we get a page with some Christmas backgrounds, pattern, and then lovely robin and a nutcracker. These snowflakes embellishments. So I left them plain so you guys can fussy cut and create anything that you want with those. This will be there will be amazing tags if you put the initial of the person that you gifted to, and you would just put it on top of your present. Look, these are ready-made bubbles that you just simply fussy cut, or maybe print it on a cardstock and hang it on your tree, or it can be used as a tags. Another woodland scene with a lovely deer. Oh, super cute. This is another favorite of mine. So it's a page with 9 lace embellishments. Again, they're kind of ready-made, so you guys can cut and layer them, or you can add to it. You don't have to cut the lace. You can simply cut the bow and maybe the bubble, or the bow and the snowflakes. You can do anything you want. I think we're going to do a project with this because I have so many ideas in my head. What I want to do. I want to play with all of this. I think in November we're going to make lots of projects with this kit because I simply love it. And then last is 2 plain bubbles that I thought you guys can use as a base and layer on top. Okay. And then the second collection, which is like a little extra gift, is called Velvet Meadow. And the reason why I call it velvet, sorry, it's this way around, is because I don't know why I feel like I'm touching velvet, and I don't know if it's just me. I think when I designed and playing with this tone, and I playing with the color palette on Photoshop, I wanted to create something that is very tactile, don't know the right word. But yeah, it feels like I'm touching velvet, and I don't know if you guys feel the same, or is it just me? It could be just me, and it's absolutely fine. If it's just me, I'll take it. So second page is this one. I thought, so these are 2 t-shirts that you can just simply fold, and then you got the collar to put on top, and this can be used as a tag because you can simply fussy cut this little space here. But again, we're definitely going to do a project because I thought we can do some hidden paper clips with this. You get another page with an envelope here that you can just simply cut some tabs, and 2 large tabs. Again, this can be we can do some paper clips with them as well. You can use as they are, you can layer on top. And then the last page of the kit is a lovely collection of tags, which I have used the same background, and I'm layered some flowers on top. And I wanted to create a bit of a contrast with this lovely teal, like a turquoise teal, and this deep burgundy slash white. It's like a wine color. So that's what it looks like. Really happy with those. And then the gift letter for this month is letter S. So the gift box we get. So this is the instruction. There is also a private video that sends you the link so you can see how I made this up. So it's one of the easiest letters to make up because the tabs are quite easy to do. So you got the front and the back, and that's the template. So this is let me show you. This is the front. So you get the front and the tabs, and this is the back of the letter. Okay, and because I had this page, more than half of the page for free, I gave you this is like a gift bag template. So as you can see, that's where it's fold over, and that's the bottom tabs. Okay, but again, in the private video, you can see what it looks like when it's done up. So we are on letter S, and this is what it looks like when it's done up. And there is a video tutorial, a step-by-step on how to put this letter together. Look how cute that looks. And of course, it stands itself up. Okay, and that's what the little bag looks like. So cute. So you just, it closes itself. So it's a self-closure bag. Okay, and that's the detail. And then I've got a few letters from previous months. We've got letter A, B, C, D, got them all in here, if I can reach, E, F, G, H, I, and each letter of course is different, depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O, E, Q, and R. Okay guys, so you saw the paper. Let me now share with you where to download this little good boy. As usual guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group. And again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very, very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay, so if you go to my website antoniomakes.com, just here on the top, you recognize it because there is a butterfly there. I just give my website a little revamp. So these are the bundles. Okay, so if you click over without even clicking, it gives you a little preview. Okay, so these are the 12 bundles. That's including my ebook. And with my ebook, you get a free planner as well. My VIP lounge. My VIP lounge membership now is only £2 a month. Imagine the joy of opening a treasure chest each month. Inside, you'll find exclusive digital papers you won't get anywhere else. Beautifully curated to inspire your junk journal, cards, planners, and creative project. Each bundle is a surprise, a spark, a moment of magic made just for you from me. And every month, of course, is different. Don't miss out. Every month, a brand new exclusive collection of digital papers is released, crafted to inspire and delight. This design are never repeated. Once they're gone for good. Yeah, because it changes every month. So what do you get? You get 30% discount across everything on my website. So including all my bundles and physical journals. Digital papers that, of course, I will send it to you each month to your email address. And a gift box template and a private video, of course, that shows you how to make it. So you can pay £2 a month, which is less than the price of a coffee, or you can just do one yearly membership price. You just pay once and you get them for 12 months. And then if you scroll here, you see all the feedback from the VIP members and what they say about the papers they get each month. And here, my little thank you note to every single one of them. Okay, guys, so you saw the papers, you saw my VIP membership, you saw what you get. So I will looking forward to having you part of my VIP community. So again, very cheap, £2, less than the price of a coffee. I don't know what you get for £2 nowadays, but you definitely can't buy a coffee. So with that price, you get lots of goodies. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video, because every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get a notification. And again, your support means the world to me, because it helps me creating your lovely freebies every week. Okay, happy crafting weekend. Big hugs to everybody. And until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.